Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we have another Marvel Superhero Mashers unboxing. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Marvel Superhero Mashers featuring the Hulkbuster. Okay, Fury Force Hulkbuster. Okay, and you can see this is not sealed. There are some missing parts here, but the main event is intact with the Hulkbuster armor. Okay, so this particular box, by the way, is from Julian. Okay, so we got into a trade deal with this. So thank you very much, Sandy, for that trade. And this is going to be for my son. Okay, so age is for 4 years old and up. My son is 3 going to 4, but it's fine. He's advanced just like his dad. So anyway, as you can see here, the Masher series would allow you to mix and smash, okay, different Marvel characters. Okay, so we already have Iceman, Juggernaut, Colossus, also from Sandy. So we're getting a fourth one in the form of the Hulkbuster. Okay, so this was valued at 1,400 pesos before, okay, I guess when it came out. Okay, but we got it for a little less than that, care of the trade deal. Okay, so on top we have here the Hulkbuster, and you can see Iron Man and Hulk, Micro Iron Man and Hulk there. On the side, we see that it's compatible with other mashers. Okay, we also have here the Hulk with I guess this is the Iceman. Okay, I'm not so sure. And then on the other side of the box, we have some more notice here. Okay, there's an app for this. I'll probably take a look at that. What's the name of the app? Okay, masherapp.com/Marvel. Okay, so check that out. And then at the back, we see here mix up your mash up. Okay, so I guess this might have contained Micro Iron Man and Micro Hulk. I'm not so sure. Okay, so there we go. We have here we also have Marvel's Capcom, I guess, in the series. Captain America, Armored Spider-Man, Groot versus Rocket Raccoon, and Black Panther. This was released when made in Vietnam. Okay, that's interesting. And released when? I don't see it. I don't see it. Okay, but anyway, but before we get to unbox this figure, this is a Heroclix channel, so we have to look at a Heroclix figure. Fade in. Okay, so we don't have the Iron Man Hulkbuster armor per se in our Heroclix collection, but we do have the next best thing, which is the Phoenix Buster Iron Man. Okay, so you can see this is only a peanut based figure from Avengers versus X-Men, only a giant figure at that. But it's a bit weird because the peanut base so small, and the the Phoenix Buster is such a big ass figure. Okay, so I was not playing Heroclix when this figure was released, but we have it as an X-Men collector. And this figure has the armor, Avengers, and scientist keywords, and a trait. Here goes nothing. Phoenix Buster Iron Man's attack deal penetrating damage if the target character is assigned a relic or a resource or possesses any of the following: Giant, Colossal, the Power Cosmic Team ability, the Cosmic or Phoenix Force keywords, or the word Phoenix in its name as a separate word. Okay, so again, he is anti-Phoenix, anti-X-Men, and anti-Cosmic, I guess. You can see the dial, the powers here: rocket propulsion, running shot, damage rockets, earthbound neutralize, firing disruptors, pulse wave, steal some power left, penetrating psychic blast, metal armor, invul, and force shielding, invincible, weakened armor, toughness, inventive solutions, perplex, and scientific planning, outwit. So it's I guess it's a what you see, what you get dial, because there's no special power aside from that trait. Yeah, okay. So pretty sure this was not pulled in a booster, most likely an unorganized event figure. Okay, real name is Tony Stark. Significant appearance, Avengers versus X-Men number 5. Okay, and you can see the cover of that issue. Okay, 2012, wherein the Avengers and the X-Men had to fight over, I think Hope Summers, if I'm not mistaken, if I recall correctly. I'm so bad with these things. Okay, so hopefully we get a legacy treatment of Phoenix Buster Iron Man in the upcoming X-Men 97 set. Okay, I do love to play this in or at least get a chance to play this at least once in Modern. So yeah, and the sculpt is nothing to, it's very impressive with this fire effects, and I don't know where's the head. Okay, there seems to be no head. Is this the head? Or maybe this one. I don't know. Iron Man might be here inside this. Anyway, so that's it for this particular look at the Phoenix Iron Man Buster. So go back to the main Smasher video. Okay, so we're back in the main event, and let's take a look at the Hulkbuster. And as I said, it seems to be pretty straightforward. Okay, you pop him out, and then we see. Okay, so these are the connectors for the mashers. Okay, so I guess they're a bit fragile. Okay, especially old plastics, but this one holds a bit better. Okay, so you can mix and match hands, okay, and even legs. This one also pops off. Okay, it does pop off. Okay, interesting. But we'll put them first all together because that's the video. Oops. I'm sure my son would love this because he liked the Hulk, and this is the nemesis of the Hulk, the Hulkbuster. Okay, he actually watched the the Age of Ultron Avengers. Okay, he loves the clip wherein there was a match between Hulkbuster and the Hulk. Okay, so yeah, so pretty big. It stands on its own, I would assume. Let's see. Make sure it does. Okay. And yeah, a robot Iron Man. Okay. But what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. I hope to get Wolverine perhaps, of Mashers, and more X-Men if possible to add to my collection. But for now, bye bye!